YouTube? Welcome to Geek. Shh. So here's the Orico MiniMate. This is a SSD that can handle 40 gigs per second, which puts you around the 3,800 megabytes per second speed range, which is the best you can do externally for the lower tier M4 Mac Minis. So I wanted to try this out, so I ordered the version that could get to me the fastest, and that turned out to be the 512 gigabyte version. They have other options as well, going all the way up to 4 terabytes. Now the price range between all models ranges from $99.99 all the way up to $369.99. So first thing first, I'm kind of caught off guard by the packing of this. If you can see, it's bulging out of the box, which is very odd to me. Nonetheless, in the package, you get an enclosure and you also get 2 cables. Now, one of them is a 1-foot cable that's labeled with the number 40, which stands for 40 gigabytes per second. And then you also get what I assume to be a 3-foot cable that does not have a label on it. And that's all that's in the box. So the product itself looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. The bottom resembles the bottom of the M4 Mac Mini with slots for air intake, and the back has fins for exhaust. It measures to a little over 5 inches horizontally, just like the M4 Mac Mini does, and vertically it measures to a little under 1 inch. Now weight-wise, it feels kind of light and hollow, to tell you the truth. On a scale, it comes into around 250 grams total. Whether you have it on top or on the bottom, it looks like it's supposed to be there due to the fact that it has the same form factor as the M4 Mac Mini. Now, when you plug it in, it immediately pops up as Orico. And if you click on Get Info, the file system is exFAT. Now, doing the speed test, it lives up to the hype, achieving a little under 3,800 write and 3,200 read on the 1 gig test, and 2,800 write and 3,200 read on the 5 gig test, which makes it a great option for editing videos on. Now we got to talk about something serious. In my office that is quiet, this is around 29 dB. When you plug this in, it jumps up to 42 dB, and it's loud and obnoxious. The fan on this sounds terrible. There's no way that Orico should be selling this at all. They need to recall this and take this back. This is not something anyone will want anywhere near them. So overall, it looks good, but Orico should be ashamed of themselves for trying to sell this knowing that it sounds like that. Ridiculous.